Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. This is Starfish's once a month segment where I talk about marketing tips, tricks, and just general marketing advice to help you grow and scale your business online. So the last couple of episodes, we've talked about a various number of topics. And one of the things we've been doing is taking a deep dive into different social media platforms and exactly how they function and how to get the best use out of them from a brand perspective. So today we're actually going to talk about Instagram, also known as the Gram. Instagram has about 1.39 billion active users to date. So it is definitely a super popular and very relevant platform. This platform is actually heavily popular amongst millennials and Gen Z, more so than any other demographic. It was actually bought out from Facebook in the year 2012. So Facebook actually owns Instagram and they actually work together in a partnership. And you'll notice as we go through this, we talk about how they actually connect and work together. This platform is specifically built around imagery. So what that means is Instagram is a very visual, photo, and video focused platform. What this means from a brand perspective, if you happen to be a brand that is very visually appealing, things like selling things online or even before and after photos, this could be a great platform for you to market your business. So some of the features that Instagram has is very similar to a lot of other social media platforms, of course, but they have their own way of doing things. So one thing that Instagram has is stories. So just like Facebook stories, Instagram is very, very similar in that aspect. And essentially what it is you post an image or a video to your story and it pretty much lasts for up to 24 hours. And then past that, it disappears. Similar to like Snapchat when you're talking and it disappears after a certain time period. So stories can be very effective in posting frequently without clouding somebody's feed from posting on your actual feed. So it's a great way to like tell your brand and to post little snippets about what's going on in your brand, or just to say like you're at an event and you don't want to overload somebody's feed with a ton of pictures. You could actually post this in a story and get the message across quite easily. Another thing that Instagram has is its live feature. So a lot of platforms do have a live feature. Instagram, you can only stream up to an hour at a time on this particular live feature. So if you want to promote in real time, you can definitely use that live feature. There's also Instagram shopping, much like Facebook Marketplace. Instagram has integrated its own shopping marketplace on their platform as well. So if you're looking to browse products, you can find those on the Instagram shopping, which is actually a little bag at the bottom right corner of the actual Instagram feed. Reels are also something that is new to Instagram, and this is actually a copycat from TikTok's platform. So it's similar to stories, except it's video snippets. A lot of people actually take the content from TikTok and then they post it into Instagram. These Instagram Reels actually will pop up in your Facebook feed as well, and they work just like TikTok's feed where it's all algorithm based. So a lot of the videos you're gonna get is based off of the things that you like and the things that you're interested in. So of course, this is Facebook and Instagram's way of trying to keep up with the market and what's trending. So another great quality about Instagram is that it has its own video editing software within the platform itself. So you don't have to edit outside of the platform. You can actually use the platform features to edit your videos and edit your own photos. Plus they have a ton of filters that you can add to that. And they've adopted some of the aspects of Snapchat with some of the more interesting photo filters that you can actually use to take the photos within the platform itself. So here's a couple of tips that you can take away for how to grow your Instagram and how to have a very clean and well-represented branding Instagram. First is definitely post different formats on Instagram. So there's several ratio formats that you could post on Instagram. There's the 1-to-1 ratio. There's also a vertical ratio of 4-to-5, and then of course a horizontal, which is 1.91 by 1. So these are the different formats that you would actually want to post to that platform. Also, Instagram gives you the opportunity, of course, to list out your bio. You just want to make sure that you regularly update your bio, that all the information there is correct, and it well represents your brand and the content that is on your page. Like any other social media platform, you want to post unique and quality content. So definitely put thought into your branding, put a lot of time into those photos. You want them to be very physically appealing and you want them to look more professional. There are some platforms like TikTok where organic style video and photo may be more appealing, but on Instagram, it's definitely, you want to have cleaner and more professional looking photos than any other platform. You want to post consistently. So this is common amongst most social media platforms on the internet. The more consistent that you post, obviously the platform will show your content more because you are using the platform and the algorithm will favor you in that case. And of course, hashtags. We've talked about hashtags in the past. Hashtags are the key word of social media, especially on Instagram. So if there are people on Instagram that are interested in your products or your services, or whatever your brand has to offer, those hashtags will help them find and discover your brand more so than if you weren't to have hashtags. Of course, use all the features that Instagram offers. Instagram has a ton of features that we've talked about here, like reels and stories and even shopping. So definitely, brainstorm ways that you can utilize those features for your brand and help grow your audience on that platform. One of the most critical takeaways for Instagram is engagement. Definitely engage with your followers and engage with followers of brands that are similar to yours. This is actually a really good way to get people to purchasing your products, is to actually follow your competitors and follow influencers that resemble the type of branding that you have and engage with them, interact with them. The more engagement that you have with these types of accounts, more people will see your engagement and of course follow you back. And of course it brings more attention to you as a brand, and the algorithms will of course notice your audience more so than if you aren't engaging with your type of branding and audience. So advertising. So of course, like all social media platforms, Instagram does have an advertising feature as well. And of course this is different than what we were talking about, which is all organic. So advertising of course is your paid content. And so since it is owned by Facebook, you do actually have to purchase the ads through the Facebook ad account manager. So when you actually go to buy Instagram ads, you do have to have a Facebook business page in order to actually buy the ads. And it has to be connected to your Instagram account. You can also control the ads through the Facebook ad manager. If you want to know more about advertising on Facebook, then check out our previous videos because we took a deep dive in how to actually utilize these features, and you can use a lot of this for the Instagram ad buying as well. So the different ad types that you can use through this platform, of course, is images. And of course, you can even do ads through the stories and through reels as well. And there's also an ad format known as carousel, which you've been familiar with this. And this is where you get an image and you can actually swipe through a series of images on your actual Instagram feed. Facebook has the same feature. Then of course, there is your explore feature, shopping, and like we've already discussed, definitely check out reels and stories. So just like Facebook boosted posts, Instagram has a similar feature, except it's actually called promote. So if you actually want to boost a post on the Instagram platform, an organic post, you would actually go to promote that. And you can do that through the Instagram platform itself. Of course, this is different than the actual ad buying platform. If you actually want to buy an ad, you do have to do that through the Facebook ad manager. Both have its own unique capabilities. Of course, promoting a post on Instagram is going to promote it to a smaller audience of your followers, but it is a great way to get a particular post out there and to get more likes and engagement on that. I hope this helped you answer questions and understand how to better market your business on Instagram. Of course, like always, if you have any content you want us to discuss, please let us know. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to these videos. And like always, thank you guys for watching.